The primary ingredients for chicken ranch pizza include pre-made pizza dough, cooked chicken breast, and ranch sauce. Mozzarella cheese is a key ingredient, with cheddar cheese as an optional alternative. Capsicum and onion provide essential vegetable components for the pizza. Sweet corn can be optionally added for enhanced flavor and texture. Oregano, mixed herbs, chili flakes, and oil, butter are used for seasoning and preparation. Pizza dough is pre-baked in an oven at 200 degrees Celsius to partially cook it before adding toppings. Pre-baking the dough takes approximately 5-7 minutes. The dough should be slightly firm and lightly golden after pre-baking. Pre-baking helps to prevent a soggy crust when the pizza is fully baked with toppings. This process ensures the pizza base is stable and can support the weight of the toppings. Shredded or grilled chicken breast is prepared as the protein component. Light frying in butter or oil enhances the flavor and texture of the chicken. Salt is added to enhance the natural flavors of the chicken. Black pepper is used to add a subtle spice and depth to the chicken. Garlic powder provides a savory and aromatic element to the chicken. Generous application of ranch sauce over the pre-baked pizza base. Ranch sauce serves as the primary flavor component of the pizza. Uniform coverage ensures consistent flavor distribution in every slice. The creamy texture of ranch complements the crispy pizza crust. Quality ranch sauce enhances the overall pizza experience. Ranch sauce provides a cool and tangy counterpoint to other toppings. Sliced capsicum is evenly distributed as a topping on the pizza base. Sliced onion is added to the pizza, ensuring uniform coverage across the base. Sweet corn kernels are optionally included as a topping, complementing the other vegetables. The even distribution of toppings ensures a balanced flavor profile in each slice of pizza. Prepared chicken is evenly distributed as a topping over the vegetables. The topping ensures a balanced distribution of chicken across the vegetable base. Visual representation of the chicken topping process. The chicken topping enhances the flavor and nutritional value of the vegetable dish. Mozzarella cheese is generously sprinkled over the prepared chicken and vegetables. Cheddar cheese can be optionally added to enhance the flavor profile. The cheese application ensures a rich and creamy texture when baked. Even distribution of cheese ensures consistent flavor in every bite. Different cheese types can be combined to create unique flavor combinations. The cheese layer acts as a protective barrier, keeping the chicken and vegetables moist during baking. Oregano and mixed herbs are sprinkled evenly over the cheese layer. Chili flakes are added to the cheese layer to provide a spicy flavor. The herbs and spices enhance the overall flavor profile of the dish. Sprinkling ensures a uniform distribution of flavor across the cheese layer. The oven must reach the preheated temperature of 200 degrees Celsius for optimal baking conditions. Preheating ensures consistent heat distribution throughout the oven cavity. Visual confirmation of the preheated state is indicated by the oven's temperature display. Maintaining the correct preheated temperature is crucial for achieving the desired baking results. The pizza is placed into a preheated oven. Baking requires maintaining a consistent temperature for a specified duration. Heat facilitates the chemical reactions necessary for dough rising and cheese melting. The Maillard reaction contributes to the browning and flavor development of the crust. Even heat distribution ensures uniform cooking throughout the pizza. After baking for 12-15 minutes, the pizza is ready to be removed from the oven. The baking process initiates the melting of cheese. As the cheese melts, it undergoes a color transformation. The final stage involves the cheese achieving a golden brown hue. The cheese melting and browning indicates that the dish is ready. Melted cheese is a key visual indicator that the pizza is nearing completion. A golden brown crust signifies that the pizza base is properly cooked and has achieved the desired crispness. The combination of melted cheese and golden brown crust indicates the pizza is ready to be taken out of the oven. Uneven cheese melting may indicate inconsistent oven temperature or topping distribution. A pale or burnt crust suggests underbaking or overbaking, respectively. Visual cues are essential for determining pizza readiness, ensuring optimal taste and texture. Proper handling is crucial when removing a baked pizza from the oven to prevent burns and maintain the pizza's integrity. Using oven mitts or heat-resistant gloves provides a protective barrier against the high temperatures of the oven and baking equipment. A pizza peel or spatula facilitates the safe transfer of the pizza from the oven to a cutting board or serving dish. Careful and controlled movements are essential to prevent the pizza from sliding off the peel or breaking apart during removal. A pizza is divided into equal portions using a pizza cutter. The circular motion of the pizza cutter ensures a clean and uniform cut. Slicing a pizza distributes toppings evenly across each portion. The number of slices determines the size of each individual serving. Proper slicing prevents uneven distribution and ensures fair sharing. The sliced chicken ranch pizza is presented for serving. Each slice reveals the combination of chicken, ranch dressing, and other toppings. The presentation emphasizes the pizza's visual appeal and readiness for consumption. The crust exhibits a golden brown color, indicating proper baking and texture. The melted cheese creates a visually appealing texture across the pizza surface. The arrangement of toppings ensures a balanced flavor profile in each slice. Promptly removing food residue prevents bacterial growth and maintains kitchen hygiene. Washing dishes with hot, soapy water effectively eliminates grease and foodborne pathogens. Sanitizing surfaces with disinfectant solutions kills remaining germs and ensures a safe cooking environment. Properly disposing of food waste minimizes odors and prevents pest infestations. Regularly cleaning kitchen appliances prevents buildup and ensures optimal performance. Thorough kitchen cleanup after baking promotes a healthy and enjoyable cooking experience.